Okay, let's dive into this explainer. Does the Quran actually teach that the Earth is flat? Let's see. Some people claim it does, pointing to verses calling the Earth a bed, a cradle, or spread out. But wait, if that's literal geometry, then consistency means the Earth is shaped exactly like nursery furniture. Instead, these expressions are just metaphors. They beautifully describe the Earth being perfectly suited for human life. It's like how we say sunrise, even though the sun doesn't orbit us. Language describes how things appear. Or, when you plant a seed in the earth, you mean the local dirt, right? So here's the crucial point. The Arabic word ard doesn't always mean the whole giant planet. Those verses saying the earth is spread out, they just mean the accessible land we actually walk on. Moving on, let's look at some specific verses describing the cycle of day and night. Look at verse 39:5. It literally says God wraps the night over the day and vice versa. This brilliantly uses the word yukhawarwiru, which means wrapping around a rounded object, exactly like a turban. Scholars saw this dynamic wording as perfectly matching the continuous day and night cycle on a sphere. Historically speaking, the overwhelming majority of major Muslim scholars completely affirmed that the Earth is round. Seriously, look at this heavy-hitting list of super influential historical scholars who totally agreed on this. Their works were highly respected. If a round Earth contradicted Islam, they would have faced massive, widespread backlash. Yet they faced zero pushback. This proves a spherical Earth was a completely mainstream accepted view. Basically, the mainstream scholarly tradition saw absolutely no contradiction between the Quran and a spherical Earth. The language used was highly figurative, right? It wasn't meant to be a technical statement about planet geometry.